Hey guys, it's Eric Green, founder of Tax Rep Network. Is it important? Is it necessary to get the client a tax organizer? Yes. Let me tell you why. As somebody who represents taxpayers in civil and criminal matters, as well as defends accountants, it is critical to get the organizer completed by the client because I'm sure you've heard, if not been through this, seen it. The client now claims later because the IRS adjusted their return for a missing 1099 that they gave that to you. You had that. And now it becomes this he said, she said about whether or not they gave it to you or not. The organizer is going to resolve that, right? They either put it down or they didn't. And now with Licio's automated organizer, it's very simple. There's a log. Either they uploaded it and put the 1099 in or they didn't. The other thing, and I've spoken about this on webinars and the podcast, the question about, do you own virtual currency? Do you have foreign assets? What I like about the automated organizer is they are required to answer that. That is very important, both in preparing the return, handling an audit, but also in tax resolution, because we know the IRS, I mean, they're very open about this, has gathered that from all the John Doe summonses and FATCA and everything else, and they are running those databases against what you file on behalf of that client. Okay, so this is a situation where we're trying to almost protect the client from themselves, but also cover ourselves. So the organizer is critical, all right? And the automated organizer, where they're required to answer this, is huge, right? Aside from the automation and the much higher return rate and the automation into the preparation of the tax return, that's all great. But just from a defense attorney's perspective, it's huge. It's really huge. It is critical that you do this and that your client actually complete it.